In this video, we are going to learn how to do partial fraction when the function has linear factors, some repeated. This is today our question. And you may ask why we are going to use partial fraction to solve this kind of problem. It is because the denominator is linear. And at the first, I will introduce you guys the formula. And the first step while solving this problem is we have to break the function into the separate fractions. And if the question is x minus 1 to the third power, we just need to keep it adding up. A over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 1 to the second power plus c over x minus 1 to the third power, then plus d over x plus 1. So let us to solve the rest of the question. The second step we need to do is multiply both sides by x minus 1 to the third power plus then we will get the function x to the second power. Then we need to find the number when I substitute in the a times x minus 1 times x plus 1. So the equation will equal to 0. And I find out I can plug in either positive 1 and negative 1 into the equation. It all will be 0. So I just need to choose either of it. Then I choose x equals to 1. Then I plug in into the whole equation. Then we solve the equation. The b equals to 1 over x. And in the second part, we find out a number when I substitute into b times x plus 1. This part will equals to 0. So the x equals to negative 1. And I plug this number again into the function. Then we find out c equals to 1 over 4. And right now we meet a problem. If we need to find a number when we substitute into the c times x minus 1 times 2 equals to 0, it will be 1. But in the first step, we already use 1. So we cannot use it again. So we just need to choose a random number and plug in b equals to 1 over 2 and c equals to 1 over 4, the three number into the equation, so we can find out the value of a. So we will choose a random number when x equals to 2, and b equals to 1 over 2, c equals to 1 over 4. We plug in it into the equation. Then by solving this problem, we get a equals to 3 over 4. And since we find out the value of a, b, c, we just need to plug the 3 value into the fraction we made in the first step. So the final answer will be Thank you for watching.